Hi, Cassie Wells, KW Commercial, Keller Williams Realty. Today, even though there's snow on the ground, we are headed to Newport, Arkansas to look at a new listing that we're getting. It is a 240,000 square foot warehouse. It's an open space. It will be for lease or for sale. So if you're looking for a large warehouse, give us a call. It's about 2 to 3 miles off of Interstate 67, 167, about an hour south of Jonesboro, and about an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes from Little Rock. So it's got a great location. It is right next door to the college in Newport, Arkansas. And the address is 7301 Victory Drive, Newport, Arkansas. So let's go and see what a vacant warehouse looks like. Well, I was impressed with the warehouse. It's very cleaned. It's ready for some new occupants. We can subdivide the 250,000 square feet of space into around 100,000 square foot for leasing. We will have it on the market at $4,600,000, which is only $20 square foot, which is fantastic. So if you're interested in this warehouse, give me a call, and I'd love to talk to you about it.